Hey everyone, my name is Christine and I'm a graduate student in the entry-level Master of Science in Clinical Nutrition program at the School of Health Professions at Rutgers University. In this video, I will be showing you how to make delicious chickpea blondies that are great for people who are following a gluten-free diet. Gluten-free foods do not contain ingredients such as wheat, rye, or barley, which makes this recipe perfect for people who have celiac disease or have gluten intolerance. Let's get started. To make chickpea blondies, the ingredients you will need are one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, a half cup of all-natural peanut butter, and 1/3 cup of honey. You can also use agave or maple syrup instead of honey if you would like. This recipe also needs 2 teaspoons of vanilla, a half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/3 cup and 1 tablespoon of dark chocolate chips, and 1 tablespoon of unsweetened coconut flakes. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine all ingredients except for the dark chocolate chips and the coconut flakes into a food blender. Blend until completely mixed. Pour into a mixing bowl and fold in 1/3 cup of dark chocolate chips. Spread the batter evenly into a non-stick 8x8 pan and sprinkle 1 tablespoon of dark chocolate chips on top. Bake for about 18 to 20 minutes or until moist with a little browning around the edges. Test the doneness with a toothpick or a fork. After letting the pan cool, sprinkle the coconut flakes on top. Cut into 4x4 pieces to make 16 servings. You can serve them immediately or you can cool them in the fridge to allow them more firmness if you prefer. And there you have it, gluten-free chickpea blondies. I love this recipe because it's a great healthy treat for people who are following a gluten-free diet. This recipe also provides a good source of protein and an excellent source of fiber due to the chickpeas. Chickpeas are also a good source of many vitamins and minerals such as folate, iron, and magnesium. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!